The word manly means having qualities traditionally associated with strength, courage, confidence, and responsibility. It often describes behavior, attitude, or character rather than just physical appearance. Pronunciation and part of speech. Manly is pronounced as a manly. It is mainly used as an adjective, but it can also function as an adverb in some contexts. How manly is used in English. When we describe someone as manly, we usually mean they act with bravery, self-control, honesty, or emotional strength. Today, the word is also used more broadly to describe inner confidence and maturity, regardless of gender. Synonyms of manly. Some common synonyms of manly include brave, showing courage; strong, physically or mentally powerful; bold, confident and fearless; masculine, traditionally male-associated traits; courageous, able to face fear. Example: he gave a brave and manly response during the crisis. Antonyms of manly. To understand a word better, it helps to know its opposites. Cowardly, lacking courage; weak, lacking strength; timid, shy or fearful. Example: his actions were confident, not cowardly. Example sentences using manly. She admired his manly honesty and calm nature. Facing problems directly is a manly quality. He spoke in a manly way, without anger or fear. Why learning this word matters. The word manly helps describe character, values, and confidence in everyday English. It's useful in conversations, writing, and understanding literature or media. Keep learning, growing your vocabulary, and building confidence with Thesaurus Thrive.